How's it?
So Dale, how's it going?
Lekker, man.
Listen, so you ready for some cooking again?
Yes, please. Yes. What are we gonna make?
We're gonna make mushrooms on toast, and we're gonna top that. We're gonna put sort of a poached egg on top of that as well. You can always make it for breakfast, or you can actually make it for lunch or dinner. You know, depends.
A brinner.
So yeah. First thing you add is the garlic and the onions that we've chopped up already. Okay, now we can add the mushrooms, and then just I would just do a half a tablespoon of butter.
Jeepers, I am feeling like a real chef right now. Because the smell, the onion, and the smell starts to hit me, and that's what making me feel like I'm doing a good job.
Yeah, but that's cool. That's a lekker thing about cooking. The smell sometimes kind of like reminds you of certain things, or takes you places. You can start smelling the mushroom kind of roasting and getting flavor now, eh? You can get that. So now you need 1.5 liters of water and 100 mils of white vinegar. And then we're gonna bring that up to boil, and then a good pinch of salt. And then we'll take one of the eggs first, break it into a cup, just give it a nice knock on the cup, and then to get your fingers in there and break it open easy like that. Don't push, just try and pull the shell apart.
Okay. Okay. Nailed it. Brian's good at this, and we're going to use the one that I broke, but he's actually going to do it professionally for me right now.
Here we go. Let's use Brian. Brian, come on, let's do it.
Okay, let's try.
It even sounded better, Brian.
Is your egg?
Oh, no, okay, Brian's done a good job. Me, not so much.
Perfect.
I failed horribly.
Yeah, the idea is just not to, you don't want to break the yolk, then it's not going to work. You can use that for scrambled egg later. So let's go, just easily drop it into the water. Basically, you just want to drop it into the water in a smooth sort of like motion.
Yes, please. Are we going to put the eggs on the bread, hey?
Yeah, so Dale, we start with, just put the bread on your plate. Then the mushrooms goes on top of the toast.
That looks pretty good. Eggs go on top of that. I'm going to put 2 on here. There we go. That is... I'll quickly show you what it looks like.
That looks lekker, man. Let's have a taste.
Yeah, let's see yours. Yeah, let me see yours. Can I see yours? That looks amazing.
I've done it before, so that's your first time.
That's amazing. That's really good. Let's do this again.